Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into honest, detailed beauty and lifestyle product reviews. Today, we're going to look at a product that isn't your typical beauty item, but one that might just be a game changer if you're a beauty professional or someone with a lot of tools to sterilize. We're talking about the all-American 25Q electric sterilizer. Now, I know sterilizers might not immediately come to mind when you think beauty, but if you're serious about sanitation, this product is worth considering. It promises an impressive set of features that I'm going to break down for you, including its advanced heating capabilities, build quality, and overall performance. This sterilizer is designed with a 650-watt CalRod immersion heating element, which is said to provide a 50% faster startup compared to its previous models, like the 25X. On top of that, it boasts a 36% greater heating capability and a 64% larger capacity. That means more tools, more equipment, and less waiting around. Crafted from hand-cast aluminum, this sterilizer resists corrosion and aging, which is crucial for long-term use. The interior features a stainless steel support stand, ensuring durability and resistance to rust, making it suitable for repeated, heavy-duty use. The removable aluminum inner container with a rack adds versatility, perfect for organizing tools while they're being sterilized. Now, as we dive deeper into testing this product, I'll be sharing my experience using it for different beauty tools, and let me tell you, it's been a mixed bag. First off, the cool-to-the-touch Bakelite top handles and wing nuts are a nice touch, allowing you to handle the unit without the risk of burning yourself. It's also surprisingly easy to use, which is critical if you're running a busy salon or just want something that works reliably without much fuss. I've used it during some of my busiest days, putting it through its paces with multiple tools. The mechanical 60-minute timer was incredibly convenient. No need to watch the clock constantly. And I noticed that the pressure gauge is accurate, conforming to ANSI B40-1-1980, which is a standard in the industry. This added precision is something I really appreciate, especially when it comes to safety. But of course, no product is perfect. While the capacity is definitely a huge plus for those with a lot of tools to sanitize, it's also important to note that the size of the sterilizer can be a bit bulky, depending on where you're storing it. It's also more on the pricey side, though given its build quality and reliable performance, it may very well be worth the investment for beauty professionals. As far as performance goes, it lives up to the promises. The faster startup time definitely made a noticeable difference, and the more accurate TPI thermocouple ensured consistent heating throughout. Whether you're sanitizing combs, scissors, or other beauty tools, the results have been nothing but reliable. Now let's talk about value for money. Considering the price tag, which is a bit higher than some competitors, I would say this sterilizer justifies its cost if you're looking for durability, reliability, and speed. It's built to last and designed to handle professional-grade tasks, so it makes sense for salons or anyone using this frequently. If you're a casual user, though, there may be more affordable options available that offer similar features, but in a smaller, more budget-friendly package. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely other sterilizers on the market that can get the job done, but many of them don't offer the same build quality or heating efficiency. You could look at models that are more compact or simpler if you don't need a unit this large. However, for professionals or those who sterilize frequently, this is definitely a strong contender. To wrap up, the all-American 25Q electric sterilizer is a high-quality, reliable product designed for beauty professionals who need to sterilize tools efficiently and effectively. Its heating capabilities, durability, and ease of use are impressive, making it a great investment for those who require consistent performance. That said, its size and price tag may make it less suitable for casual users or those with limited storage space. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this sterilizer or have any other favorites, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.